Om Shri Sairam. Class 2nd Standard, Subject Mathematics. Today I will give FA1 revision. Your FA1 test portions are first lesson shapes and spatial understanding and lesson number 2 numbers. In the first lesson you learned lines and its types. That means straight line. Here you learn horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line, and you learn about curved line. Second subunit is two-dimensional shape. It is square, rectangle, triangle, circle. And three-dimensional shape. It is cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. So you learned this topic in first lesson. Based on this topic, we are giving questions like this. That means choose the correct answer for the following questions. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ FA1 ಟೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನೀಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. First question, rectangle has dash sides. So here given 4 options. You have to select the correct option. That means rectangle has 4 sides. See, observe second question. Ball is example for dash shape. So ball ಯಾವ shape ಗೆ example? It is cone, cube, sphere, cylinder. So ball is example for sphere. Here rectangle has 4 sides and this is example for sphere. So like this your test will be there. So ನಿಮ್ಮ FA1 test ಈ ರೀತಿ multiple choice questions ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು correct question ನ select ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This is just an example. And numbers chapter you learned numbers 1 to 100 and you learned place value chart, place value and face value. ನಿಮಗೆ place value ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, face value ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Then number name of 2 digit numbers. ನಂಬರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ascending and descending order. And last one is formation of number. How to form the number. So in the second chapter you learn this 8 points. So based on this question will be like this. Which number comes before 31? Which number comes before 31? It is 30. And 2-digit smallest number. 2-digit smallest number is 10. So question will be like this. So questions ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ 2 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 20 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ 20 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯುವರ್ FA1 ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಸಾಯಿರಾಮ್.